Hey guys, Chef Steve here with another quick, easy cooking tutorial for you. Today we're going to be making soup. We're going to be making roast beef soup. It's so cheap, so easy, so easy. I mean, you just take this roast beef, we're going to put this in some broth, and I've got a special ingredient I'm going to show you guys. It's so simple. Soup's on! You need some broth, about 4 liters broth. You take some cheesecloth, put some thyme in there, some rosemary from the garden, and you're all set. Just roll it up, tie it into a knot. Whoa. It's not. Some herbs from the garden. It's so simple.